want to make a quick video today on how we helped one of our clients go from literally a 5% close rate last month to now this month a 60% close rate. And it's really not what you think it is. It's not that hard of a thing to implement, but this is one of our clients we're working with right now. And basically what we did is last month they were at about a 5% close rate. And then this month we jumped them to 60. And when I saw the 5% close rate last month, my first thing was like, what the heck is going on? Like, why is this so low? Because historically they had closed well on this offer. There wasn't really a lot of issues that they were having. Their market, like their lead quality was good. So I was looking at this, I was like, why is it 5%? And so then I asked this client, I said, hey, like, what do you think this is? Why do you think it's so low? And he's like, well, we'd have really good calls with people, but then they just wouldn't close. I said, okay, so then what are you doing like on the back end? Like, are you scheduling follow-ups? Are you doing this? He's like, yeah, I would do follow-ups. Like, I would just text them. I was like, hold on, wait a second. Like, what do you mean you just text them? He's like, yeah, I just text them and like follow up that way. I was like, no. So what we did is very simple. Bam, fam, book a meeting from a meeting. And so I told this client, I said, when you're done at the end of the call, if you do not close that call, book another meeting after that for 1 to 2 days later. And then a lot of times you can circle back to whatever objection they had and then close them before the end of the call. And then if not, you have a backstop, another call where you can just get another call with them and then have something where you don't have to keep chasing them. Like, and this one thing, I kid you not, we changed nothing else. Same call volume, same everything, went from 5% last month to now in April, it's April 13th, they were at a 13th of the month, they're at a 60% close rate this month. I think it's like 62%. All because all we did was book follow-up meetings. And like, most of the time when you guys are closing deals, like you're only going to get like 20 to 30% on the first call. And then on the second call, you're going to get like 80% of your deals actually done on the follow-up. And so by not scheduling a follow-up and not pushing a follow-up, you're literally leaving 80% of your deals on the table by just not having a follow-up with people. Like it's not hard. Like you could suck at sales, but if at the end of the call you don't close them, you're just like, cool, like when do you want to book another meeting? Or when can we book another meeting? Let's book one for 2 days out. Like you'll close a lot more people by simply just doing that. So I hope this helps, but like if you're not booking follow-up meetings, don't chase people over text, over email. Like they don't close that way because then they get busy, they forget. It's not that they don't even see it as valuable. They just get busy, they forget, like they don't incorporate it into their schedule. Whereas if you could just book a meeting, then you can close more deals and make more money. So I hope this makes you more money. Bam, fam it, book a meeting from a meeting. Don't let revenue slip out of your pipeline, and hopefully it helps. See you in the next one.